In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to protect PDF with password. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect PDF with password, go to your browser and in search type protect PDF with password. Now hit enter. Here you will find the first link, I love PDF, and the link is protect PDF tool to encrypt PDF with password. Click on this link. Here you will find a button, select a PDF file. Click on select a PDF file. Now I am going to select my PDF. My PDF file name is BB, and then click on open. The PDF is uploaded. Here you will find set a password to protect your PDF. Type the password here. You can select use a strong password or choose your own. I am selecting choose your own and I'm typing my password and then repeat password. Now click on protect PDF, protecting PDF. Now no need to save password here, and look, the PDF file is already downloaded. If it's not download automatically, just click here download protected PDF. My PDF is automatically downloaded. Now I'm going to check. Right click on the PDF file and click on open, and look, the PDF file asks for password to me. Now type the password here and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to protect PDF file with password. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.